Interaction potential G depends on interaction potential depends on what? K, Q1, Q2, and X. The basic definition. Directly will take help of this definition. When do it will be minimum? See, here in the problem, we do have three charges, no? We do have three charges, Q1, Q2, 3Q. See, just analyze once. Just analyze once. It's like this. So the interaction will be say like a K, Q1, Q2, and say X12. Interaction K, Q1, Q3, X13. U23, K, Q2, Q3, X23. So this product Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3, these are the must know. But the separation between 1, 2 or 1, 3 and 2, 3, that matters a lot, no? I'm trying to generate the idea. The separation between the product of Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3, Q2, Q3. You put in any orientation, that product, this numerator will be same, no? But look at the denominator. If this, when this particular, it will be minimum when this particular denominator open is having maximum value. That too, what happen? I'll look the charge 3Q and 12Q, the product of these two. If they are separated by maximum distance, then only it will be minimum, no? I'll say like instead of all this, you better draw some three diagram and just analyze it rather than if you're unable to use mathematics, go for like this. I don't know, I'll start it like this, Q, 3Q, nothing wrong. That is straight away starting here. So will this be minimum? Now look at this, the interaction between 12Q, 3Q, the separation is less, no? So I'll start another one. 3Q, Q, I'll bring it. What is the next combination? Okay, Q in between, 3Q, and this is 12Q. Now look at now. What is the other alternative? Other alternative will be 12Q, I'll bring in between. I think these are the some possibilities what we can do here. Nothing wrong if you think it this way also. You are just analyzing, no? It's not that something, the idea of the problem by seeing question only, it should strike, need not, you analyze, try it in different way. Okay, no, work out here, no. In every problem, so call this is 1, this 2 will give name. This is 3, no? Already I given, no? So in every problem, what happens? This K, Q1, Q2, K, Q1, Q3, K, Q2, Q3. In all the configurations, it will be there, no? But look at that X12, X13, X23, the interactions. That matters. So which one will give the minimum potential here? I think when the charges which are having more magnitude, if they are separated by larger distance, then the potential will be minimum, no? Because for all three cases, the product of K, Q1, Q2, this product will be same. Q3, 3Q square between these two, this one. So when the potential will be minimum, I'll change. So I'll continue. Same thing that will be. So this is a Q, no? Okay, now come for this. Here what happened when the product of charges will happen when the charges which are having more magnitude, if they are separated by more distance, if the distance of them is more, then what happen, the potential will be minimum. So among all three, what happen, this will provide minimum potential energy. So let me take this is X and this distance, let it be L. Write the equation. Are you getting no? So so why only you picked up the third diagram? Here minimum not possible. So here it will be greater than minimum. This one. This will be greater than minimum. So why only you picked up the third one? The reason is those charges which are having more magnitude, they must be separated by larger distance so that you can make minimum potential. You see this one. U is proportional to q square by x. No, this q square will be same for all three, but x will determine whether it's a minimum. If you maximize x, then u will be minimum. So this configuration will maximize x here. X means not this x, the distance between the charges which are having more magnitude. That should be that value of x should be more. Then only potential will be minimum. So write down the equation. Total interaction potential will be 3k q square x plus 36k q square by L, 12k q square L minus x. Differentiate this du by dx and equal to 0. Anybody value of x?
4.
X equal to how much? 4, huh?
4 centimeters.
4 centimeter from 3q. Measure from 3q. So when the potential is minimum, when the distance between the product, when the distance between the charges of larger magnitude is more, the potential is minimum. I think I'll write that particular statement. The potential of system will be minimum when charges of larger magnitude separated by more distance. Is it okay? No. So I think there's the idea on which I assumed the third diagram. So or shall I put in simple way? They say like still sir we are not getting why you are writing this statement. You calculate potential in the first case, second case, third case, compare all. The third case will be minimum. It's over. Then you can come and justify this statement. Say if nothing flashes for you in exam, no, what are the, yes, say only 3 charges are there. You can do experiment. So if this idea, if this idea doesn't flashes, what to do? This idea doesn't flashes. 3 charges are there. There are only 3 possible combinations, no? In all 3 combinations, if you have a time, calculate potential, the among all that which is the least, that will be the answer. So in exams, finally what matters, like